Good day, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Building. I'm working on the Klingon bird of prey. Now, I have messed up and not shown you a lot of what's going on. So this video is going to kind of catch you up. As you know, I have a superstructure in here. Well, this is two layers. There's a top and a bottom. And now this is all sealed in like so. The stand will fit right in here. I still have more to build on this, so this will absolutely disappear completely. And I've been out in the garden all day. And anyway, I tied these up like this to keep them out of the way so they wouldn't get cut or broke. As you can see, maybe, yeah, you can. This light here and this light over here are going to be for the fiber optics. And you can see the orange there. Well, if you look right back here, there is also pink or orange back there. Now, how I did that was I put tissue paper onto packing tape. All right, now, then I took a Sharpie and I colored the tissue paper. So what happens is the light will shine through it, giving you the illusion of being a real light. So anyway, that's one of the little things you can do to make stuff. And okay, what else we got going on? What I have to do now is I have to bridge this all up in here. But I have to be very careful so that the wings go on here properly and I don't block any of these lights to give the effect of what's going on here. Now, as you know, I have had the guns in the stocks. All right, now they can't come out yet. But this is, I'm just going to show you what they look like at this point. Uh-oh, come on, thank you very much. All right, now this is the fiber optics that I have built into the bottom of this. No, I shouldn't say in the bottom, in the middle of this engine. Now they're not real tough yet, but they're still very strong. I have to fill this with cement and then another piece over top of here. And that will be the armor that goes on here. And so anyway, also there's fiber optics right here. These are the headlights of this. And so anyway, this will all come together, and there will be one light that will shine on this. And so this is what I have to be really careful of how this goes together here. And I can still get the fiber optics to work. So anyway, this is all part of the building process that it takes so much time to try and figure out, because you're doing this in your head. You know, there's no directions. There is nothing, no made up parts. You got to make all the parts yourself. And so this, as you can see, this is the armor for the top of the bird of prey. And then I've got to clean up down underneath here and fill this in, make it look right. But as it is turning out right now, it is starting to look like a Klingon bird of prey instead of some other kind of device. So anyway, everyone, and as you can see, I put these on so I can stand them up and work on things. That brings you up to date, I think, on the build tutorial for the bird of prey. And if it doesn't bring it up enough for you, I will gladly talk to you in the show. So if you come to the show Monday through Friday, 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. There is only one show now. And so I hope to see you then. Take care, Paper Army. I love you a lot. And salute.